Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. Today's date is December 3rd, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the price action on Monday, we moved lower toward this 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, rotated back to the upside where we moved just above this swing area here. This swing area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. These are some of them, and it's kind of a rough level. There's some levels a little bit above, a little bit below. But as you can see, we moved a little bit above it and then rotated back to the downside. So let's call that a nice hold on the top side of 127.15, and we rotated back to the downside, finally breaking below the 100 bar moving average with some momentum. Came down to the 100-hour moving average, made it through that. Also through the 200-hour moving average, we came down to this swing area down through here, which I had also earmarked as a level of importance going forward, and that level corresponds with all these different swing lows and swing highs. You can see the number of times that the market came either and used that level as a support or resistance through here, finally breaking to the upside, moving to the high price. So we moved back down to the high of that swing area near 1.26147. Now, this level right here, 1.26147, also has a significance off of the daily chart. If I go to the daily chart and look at the 50% retracement, what does that level come in at? 1.26147, and that's the low, that price that we saw in trading here today. It's hard to see because it's on that dotted line, but the low price on trading on Monday came right down to that level. The level also happened to correspond with other swing levels going back in time through here as well. So it was a nice hold on the downside there. What else can you say? So the move back higher off of that level has moved back toward these moving averages, and so we have a battle going on between the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, the 100-hour moving average on the top side between 1.2664 and 1.26763. If the price and stay below that level, the bias remains to the downside. If the price moves back above it, we'll look toward the 38.2% retracement, look off toward the 1.27159 level, and break above that level. We'll start to look toward the 50% retracement if we're able to get above the high prices that we saw in last week's trading. On the downside, if we do hold this area right here and rotate back to the downside, the 200-hour moving average, and again, the 1.26147 and the low of the swing area would be targets on the downside to get to and through, followed by this trend line. And if move below that level, it opens the door to the downside. So we're at a key resistance level here, right through here, with the 100 bar moving averages in play. Stay below is more bearish, move above is more bullish, and targets are there for you. So pay attention to them. My name is Greg McCloskey with the technical look at the sterling versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.